Hi, this is Ben from Memberium. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can protect your Buddyboss or BBPress forums with Memberium for Infusionsoft. This protection is going to allow you to use Memberium's content protection box just to protect the forum so that it's not publicly accessible, and you control who has access to the forum based on tags in Infusionsoft. So this is what the forum looks like on the front end. Now, I'm not using the Buddyboss theme, I'm using the WP Astra theme. If you're using the Buddyboss theme, this forum will look a lot better. So I recommend that you check into that. However, the forum is publicly accessible. I'm not logged into my site, and you can see that I'm able to access the entirety of this forum. So here's the form on the back end here. I have it up. It's called the Gold Form, and I just have some basic content in here. Now, if you're not seeing forms inside of the Buddyboss, I just want to point out that you need to come to the Components tab right up here at the top, and then you need to enable the forum discussions. You can just activate that. It's not activated necessarily by default. Okay, so once you have your form set up, you can of course do different things in here, but the main focus of this video is how you actually protect this, and that is through the content protection box right here. So for example, if I protect this with the demo membership 1, and I will go ahead and update that, update button is down here, this form is now immediately protected. So if I now in this browser where I'm not logged in refresh, you'll see it's telling me that the page is not found. That's because it's redirecting me to the members only page, and I don't have that set up on my site just yet. However, we could redirect them to the login page or to wherever we would like. So we could redirect them over here to the login page. And so now if I try to access it, it's going to take me to my login page right here, the Memberium provided login page. Perfect. One other thing I want to show you here is that if you do have access to it, for example, I'm signed in to a member who has that membership, then they should actually have access to that forum. So let me go ahead and access the URL, and as you can see, the form is pulled up here. I have access because I'm signed in and I do have that demo membership 1. So if I don't have the demo membership 1, I won't be able to access it. If I do, then it's going to give me access, and you can control the redirect as well by just down here where it says the redirect. You can control it entirely, and you can also do more advanced content protection. You could say any logged in user, only for logged out users. I'm not sure why you would do that option, but most likely any logged in user is what you would choose there. You can do multiple memberships, and the member will need to have one of the memberships that you check. So if we did 1, 2, and 3 here, they would need just a single membership there. You can also protect it with tags, contact IDs. If you want to have a very exclusive form just for like 5 or 10 users, you could just put in there Infusionsoft contact IDs. That's an option. Or you can require tags like I mentioned. So with that being said, that is how you set up the private forums feature using Memberium and Buddyboss. And if you have any questions, look at the written guide below this video. If you still have questions, reach out to our support team by going to memberium.com/support. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. Hopefully you found it useful, and thank you for being the best part of Memberium. See you in the next video.